Hey, what is up, everybody? And we are doing a Minecraft video. So, with all that said, let's get started. Thank you to Travel Nevada for helping me out. Now, more about that later. Now, let's get into the set. Okay, so what we have so far is little tree with like forest, and if that is emerald ore, I am very jealous. This is not fair. And then we have 2 torches, a chest, ASMR. That's just great. We have a smithing table, a smoker, an anvil, and a crafting table. Yes, it is the same on both sides. Same for the smithing table. Oh, and here is the figure. I think it's like really cool with like the shield, and he has like, I'm pretty sure like a crossbow right there. You can't really see it because of his shield, like a crossbow, and I think that's.
Where's the crossbow? But it's on his shirt.
Yeah, it is. Oh. My little brother wants to see.
Stop calling me little. I'm a big brother, and I am 5. So stop calling me little.
Okay. All right. You're a younger brother.
Yeah, that's better.
Always technical. And this is the first wolf, who looks very goofy. And
that's why he is goofy.
And this wolf does not look goofy. And that is bag 1. So now I'm gonna film bag 2. Alright, so now, this is what we have so far. It's got like a mushroom, like a dead bush, and like, if that is emerald ore, again, I am jealous, and if that is emerald ore built into it, I am infinitely more jealous, but it might just be moss. So now on to bag 3. But before I do that, I'm gonna go eat a cow. Oh, join the server. Good cow. Now on to bag 3 for real. So with the finished design, it looks like this. I think it's really cool because you can like switch it from like chill, like, oh yeah, I'm chill, wanna play, to you wanna mess with me, cuz? Huh? Oh, you want to mess with this guy? No, you do not. He'll bite your hand off. And I was like super confused with this. I'm just like, how the heck does this go on here? But then I'm just like, oh, it like slides out and then you can never get it out again. So I'm going to put this on like a little spinny thing for you. Let me just set that up. So this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to
spin it for you, Emerson?
I got it, buddy. Oh, I just noticed he has a dog bone on his back. That's cool. And for like this thing, I was so confused on how to build this side because it's like a special piece that I think is only in the set. So like this piece, and it has like a hole in it, and you put it on like that. And so I put it on this way. So I was like, wait, how do I attach it? And then I figured out that there was a side with studs. And so, yeah. And that is the wolf stronghold. So let me just paint the picture for you. So this guy is just minding his business. He's about to defeat this skeleton. And his dog is following him. But his other dog sees that there's a second skeleton. And the second skeleton sees him. And he's about to shoot the player. Meaning the skeleton with the diamond helmet, which is not fair at all, is about to get the jump on him. And his dogs are going to probably die fighting the skeletons. Or maybe one of them. Which is why I hate skeletons, because they kill dogs. Because they want to kill the player, and if you have a trained dog, then it will like attack mobs for you, which is like really cool. So like that's why dogs are the best. So right now it's in chill mode, but then it's gonna go to Angie mode. Now it's Angie. And again on the back, like this like chest, like I was like, wait, how the heck do I put it in there? But like, you do that, and to like get it out, you like slide it up. There, like that. Yeah, it's kind of hard to do. And that is it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe, or this dog will come after you. Thanks so much for watching. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. Oh, and about Travel Nevada, they have this really cool newspaper. This is one of their stickers. There's one of these in blue and like some other ones that say get out there. This is the one for spring and summer of 2025. And so it's like, you can go to follow them. You can follow them on Instagram, X, Travel, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube, which you should go totally do because they're awesome. And because this guy is super cool. And this is the one from last year's winter. It has like the same thing. And this like folds out into a map, and it's like cool. Go on, get a little out there. That's like their slogan. And it has like a bunch of really cool things about Nevada. So if you're a tourist or if you're a local who didn't even know there was things like this out there, things like this, go to travelnevada.com so that you can have fun, because it's fun. And they're cool. So it's like really cool. So make sure to go check that out. And like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. this is the poor box that's about to get yeeted because I want to. So hit the like and subscribe button before I hit it in 3, 2, 1. Yippee! I'm happy. So make sure to go check out travelnevadaalt.com, all caps, no spaces. And make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel too. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.